Influence here, up close and personal. So this will probably be the longest one of these, but what I'm doing is a shelf kind of overview. I'm gonna pick a shelf and do that and just give you everything that's on the shelf. A lot of people probably know, but maybe some people won't know what's on the shelf. I know collectors of this stuff will probably know, but I'll just explain like why I put certain stuff on the shelf and all of that. What, just going through it. I think I'm going to do this instead of doing a tour. I think I'm going to do a full tour of my basement, like a full, without going into detail of the collection, just everything in my basement. I usually do a tour twice a year, but I haven't done one yet this year because actually I'm still working on some stuff. And also I think I want to do this instead. Like everybody does tours. We always do tours and there's nothing wrong with that. Like I'm sure if people ask, I will do one eventually, or maybe at the end of the year. But for now, I'm just going to do like a shelf explainer. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit like why and what I'm doing. That's why I'm here in the camera face. Big.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
So I was going to get a finger pointer. You know those funny finger pointers that people be using to like point out sarcastically stuff. That I was gonna get one of those, but I didn't yet. I don't know if I will. So I'm using a pool cue because I don't want to get in the frame and mess up anything. We're doing this shelf. Hopefully I don't knock nothing over. Now it can be considered two shelves because there's a glass shelf in between here. I mean, in between the two shelves, there's a glass shelf, but I consider this like one. Like this is the dividing of one. So the first thing I have here is Blitzway Voltron. Subscribe. This is a great figure. I don't know how many people own it. I know a lot of people do. I think it's the definitive Voltron figure as far as that style Voltron. Now they have the Netflix Voltron, I believe it is, which is in this style as well. And from the looks of it, is great. And if you get that, like, I'm not mad at you either. Like if you have that Voltron, that's a great Voltron as well. I'm just saying Blitzway is dope. Like, and I think it's one of the best Voltrons that are out there. I haven't looked at all of them, but I do believe that. I have it in a little pose. I wish I could find some other way than to put risers. The reason I put these risers because I wanted him in a pose like this. But if I put it on here, it has a bunch of negative space that I don't like. With the risers, it takes up more of this space. It's more coincide with Megatron that we'll get to in a minute. And I just like the way it looks. I think it looks dope. Like I said, the only thing I don't like is seeing the risers. Even though they're clear, I do need the dust. I'm just looking now. Man, they ain't been up there that long, but it still gets dust. It don't matter whether you got glass on it, whether dust seeps in. Regardless, that's why I don't like glass on my figures. That's the other thing you'll see. This cabinet, actually, I love this cabinet. It has the glass sides, but it also has doors. I don't like that. For one, this display down here that we'll get to won't fit because it protrudes. But I just don't like glass covering my... It feels like a museum to me instead of a collection. So I like to see it. I don't like anything in front. It's almost like me wearing glass. One of the reasons I hate wearing glasses is for the same reason. Because if I feel like I'm always looking through something, I'm not ever looking at life for real. Like, they're always dirty. But let's not get off topic and get on some glass etiquette. Anybody who wears glasses know what I'm talking about. I mean, this is the full Voltron. There's not much to talk about, really. I did hardwire his eyes so they light up. I like that because I think it kind of elevates the display to have his eyes lit, and to have batteries in it constantly. It wasn't great. So I wired that. I tried to hide the wires the best I could. They're hard to see now, but they are back behind him into the back cover. They have like this back cardboard. Now this case does have a better, like that cardboard is thick behind it. It's not like one of those cheap cases. So, but yeah, I have it wired directly into the back, so it's hard to see. You can see it from the side somewhat. And I also, if you can see here, I added the sword because he has 2 swords because I have 2 sets. Now, this is the official. This is the KO, which I did that on purpose because I want it in the official. The official looks better to me. The KO does not look bad at all. It's a great option for a way cheaper price. Y'all know this was like, I think $700. I'm not sure, 6 or 7. And the KO is like 190, or maybe it was a little more than that. I'm not sure, but it was way, way, way cheaper. I will go handheld towards the end just to show you the case. When I found out it fit on the stand, I was like, yeah, I'm getting a KO so I can have the lions. And that's what's down here. The lions in their configuration on the stand with their drivers underneath them. And I also have 2 figures that I like of Voltron, 2 mini figures. This one, I can't remember. I think it's Lucky Cat or something like that, but it's like die cat. It's not all die cast, but it does have a lot of metal in it. To be honest, I can't remember if that's all. I just felt it. It's a lot die cast, but I don't know if it's all die cast. This is a plastic model, but it looked so good after I got done. I was like, well, whatever. And then the last but not least is Robosen Megatron. Now, this is in the same caliber as the Voltron as far as price and build and all of that. You know, Robosen has the automatic, the robot. It's a robot. It moves, it talks, it does all that stuff, but it's hard to display. There is a mode where if you turn off, you can put it to turn off and stay standing. That's kind of what I have it. And I did have it standing without the stand, but one day it fell and my leg broke. So Robosen sent me new parts. Shout out to them. I hear bad things about their customer service, but I think it's because people contact the wrong customer service, and I don't think they tell you. Like, if you contact the wrong one, I think they just like, oh, whatever. That's from what people are saying, because I contacted the US customer service and they sent me out the parts right away, and I just fixed it myself because I knew what I was doing, and none of the servos or anything were broke. It was a clip and a screw that broke off, so they sent me the clips and the screws, and I just screwed the leg back on, so it was fine. But yeah, I have his weapons in his hand. I don't want to mess him up too, because he will fall off this stand. This stand is great, but he will fall sometimes. If you don't have it exactly right, you don't have his feet right, he'll fall. But I love this stand because it has the lights, the purple lights shining up, and also, you know, I got his weapons in his hand. It's hard to display this because you can't really get it to where you want it to be, because it doesn't really stay in a certain position because it has all those servos and stuff. Let me show you what I mean in case you don't know. So when you move the arm, you can see it's just gonna move back down. Now you can get it to stay a little bit, like it's not as terrible. You can, I actually like that pose. I'm gonna keep that. Hopefully it don't fall. But yeah, but you couldn't put it up. Like, you couldn't have him like that. It just won't work. And I think that's it. This right here, this is the coin that's with it. I just wanted to display it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it there. I may just put it away. I just, you know, you get gung-ho sometimes when you start displaying stuff and you're like, I want to display everything. But it kind of, some days I'm like, well, it just looks out of place, or it's just sitting there. But some days I'm like, oh, well, it's like can't even say that word. What the hell? Commemorative. That's how you say it. So I have it there. It's the 40th anniversary, all that good stuff. I do want the Soundwave, but I just can't see paying what the Soundwave costs when this was, well, this was early bird was 8, but the Soundwave's like 1,400, I think, or 1,200, something like that. That's crazy to me. I understand prices fluctuate and everything has went up. I don't know, it just doesn't sit well with me with that. It is dope though. Check out Gib ATL. Check out his channel, and he has a video on it, and he's also one of my members, so shout out to him. But yeah, it's a dope figure, the Soundwave, but like I said, I don't know, it's a hard swallow for me. The early bird was a little bit better, but I missed that. That was still a hard swallow for me. Go through and zoom in a little and let you see some stuff up close. So here's the up close of, and you can see better how those look and how I don't like them. Megatron over here. Also, I didn't talk about the lights too much, but the lights came in this stand, and I do like, they can change all types of colors, but most of my lights down here are like blue because I like the vibe, like bluish. These are a little more blue. Like I think I'm going to change them. Like these and some of my other shelves are a little more blue. This is the plastic model, and then you have the lions with their people. I do like the scale of this because it does remind me of how big it was. I know I gotta put it on the gimbal next time I do this. And here's the die-cast one. I think it's the Lucky Cat. Here you go, backing out. So yeah, expect these maybe once a week. I don't know, but we'll see. I will try once a week. I've said things before about doing stuff weekly, and I did not. But yeah, I'm gonna try to film one once a week. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll get up with you next one. Peace.
Life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.